name is Leonard Milholland, Applications Engineer with SMSC. Today I'm going to talk about the automatic calibration features of the RightTouch family of devices. These include analog calibration, digital calibration, and max duration calibration. These are very important features to have in a capacitive sensor to address concerns such as temperature drift, dust and debris on your sensors, and maybe even the messy child with peanut butter on their fingers. Feature 1, analog calibration. I'm going to show you analog calibration using our CAP 1188 EVB and graphical user interface. Here we have the EVB. As soon as you plug in the EVB, power is applied to the device. The device goes out and detects all of the different capacitors, sensors that are attached to the device, and normalizes the capacitance to a zero-base delta count. As you can see here on the GUI, there's this area that's called sensor delta counts. There are numbers below that show a zero-based delta count, as well as an orange box that shows these threshold levels. So as you can see, when I touch one of the sensors, I get a delta count. I can touch one of the sensors over here. It's a much smaller button. I get the same level of delta count for a smaller device. Feature number 2, digital calibration. Digital calibration is critical for long-term, slow-moving signals that can occur on the capacitive sensor, such as the temperature of the board changes, which actually changes the capacitance of the sensor, or dust and debris. We're going to show you dust and debris because it's a little bit easier to show. We're going to simulate dust and debris with a business card. As you can see, the sensors are reading 0. If I place the business card onto the sensors, the signal comes up, but it doesn't cross the threshold. After a period of time, for this instance I have 2 seconds, the registers go back to 0. Yet I can still touch through the business card and have a full signal strength available to me. Once I remove the business card, say you clean the sensor, it resets back to 0 and is ready for the next touch. Feature number 3, maximum duration calibration. This feature is an important feature to have for the system to detect stuck button actuation of a capacitive sensor. Again, we're going to use the EVB to demonstrate this feature. Say I'm a small child and I have peanut butter on my finger. Peanut butter stuck on the button should not result in a stuck button. Here I show my finger on the button for a longer than normal time. As you can see, the system is smart enough to calibrate out this prolonged signal. And within half a second, the sensor is back ready to be used again.
For more information, visit smsc.com.